Changing my own.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I see.
Alright. Where the hell are we going? Ooh, I'm laggy. I'm definitely a little laggy. So if I disappear, I'll be back.
Okay. Maybe it's the rain?
No, I think probably an update. Because, you know, happens when you want it to.
Yep. Oh.
We have to hide the device very well. I can't afford to let it fall into the wrong hands again. And the Vorgons are very persistent.
I feel like this was a bad idea.
Yeah, I have a feeling we're gonna piss off the natives.
Oh, guess what I just clicked to run? Equal.
No, that's too obvious. Anyone could find it there. That's better, but I still think it would be too easy to find. That's it.
Whoops. I skipped that. I like how it's like under a rock is not okay every time, but that rock is okay.
Yes, nobody is gonna find it for hundreds of years. We're just gonna bury it in a cave on Ryza where everyone goes to make out. Eh, sure. That's a good hiding spot.
And suddenly we're outside the cave again? I don't get this.
Setting course for 2410.
No. Finished my soda.
2410.
We need to
What?
get back to the Nakul.
I thought the timeline, it should be whatever year it is now, just so 2416 it should be in Star Trek timeline, I thought.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It runs a little slower though, doesn't it?
Oh.
I forget how it works, but it's not the it's not the same day to day.
Well then. You're thinking star dates though, aren't you? Am I wrong? No, I don't know. I don't know. I'm pretty sure my bio's wrong then.
Yeah, I kind of
I'm younger.
try to avoid. Because if I heard when I heard this, I was sitting around. Oh no, I was playing Dabo. Of course, I was playing Dabo, and I heard someone mention there was a difference, and based on what they said, my character would be like 45 years old.
Oh, yeah, but
So
Betazoids. Betazoids are so much longer that's like young still. Very young.
Still, I'm not putting that shit on my bio.
Oh, how many times is this gonna happen tonight? How
Again?
many?
I still see you. Oh, never mind.
Doesn't take long. I really need to check my settings. I used to do that when I had that anti-aliasing on, and I don't need it on, so check that again.
Well, it's a good thing Ray's here.
Yeah, because I'm just abandoning you over and over
Yes. Yes, you are.
again.
Ray to the rescue.
It's
Again.
understandable on ground for me because, well, it's ground. But space? I'd rather be there. Okay, I'm back-ish.
I remember that ship.
I'm checking my settings right now before we have any other issues.
Okay.
Where's my anti-aliasing? I can't find it.
What happened to our son? I'm sure that will be a... You have...
This is Captain
Watch your butt,
Benjamin
Ray.
Walker of the USS Postok. I'm responding to an emergency temporal transmission from these space-time coordinates, but we are no longer detecting the source of these transmissions. Did you lose a time traveler?
Okay, turn things down a little bit. We'll see if that helped.
I think you better come aboard while we resolve this. Prepare for transport.
Whoa. How come you guys are still destroying things? And it was
I don't
talking.
know. I'm going in. Oh, Ray probably can't. Somebody can't. Okay. Ray's still naked. That means Ray's been hanging out on Ryza.
Yeah, that's the only reasonable explanation. Ryza in the middle of winter?
Best time.
I
Less
guess.
trolls.
Makes sense.
Or more trolls, I guess it depends. Because the DJs are still there.
Oh, I was like, oh, I accidentally beamed to my bridge.
Greetings. It's nice to see you again. Not that you remember. We need to scan the continuum for Caldano. Would you care to assist me?
Alright.
Nice uniform, Ray.
Oh, it's one of those games. It was a trick.
You gonna be okay?
Yeah, I had to do it quickly. Stressful.
Oh, look, Ray's pretending to do something.
Were you able to locate Caldano?
Nope.
Enter the
We're gonna take your ship,
coordinates
though.
into the transporter.
Into the transporter. Oh.
He's dead, Jim.
Inspect that dude. Where it... Oh. I see.
See, I told you, he's dead, Jim. He looks a little crispy.
What happened with Caldano?
Oh, shit.
What?
Nice. I like how they tied that into Enterprise. Did you read it?
Mine went away.
What
Do I have to click it
happened
again?
to Caldano?
I thought you guys were...
No, you talked to the dude at Captain Walker.
No, this was meant
No?
to happen. Caldano went further
Oh.
back into the past.
Yeah, I
than you
clicked
knew.
him before and I only got the first screen.
NX-01 Enterprise, captained by Jonathan Archer, found his ship.
Yeah,
in
but
the
did you read it?
22nd
I am now, yeah. Oh, that ended it for me. It's okay.
I didn't click anything. I'm still reading it. Ray.
Ray clicked it. It's okay.
It's Ray's fault.
NX-01 something rescued his ship. That's all I got.
Yes.
Or
the
found his ship,
Enterprise.
whatever.
The Enterprise. The first Enterprise.
Yeah.
Do you remember the episode where they found... Never mind. Okay.
Um,
Did you even watch
Enterprise? Oh yeah, I've
Yeah.
seen it twice, I want to say, like through all the seasons, but I don't remember them all. Definitely not.
SMH quiz. SMH.
Now, if we were talking
Oh, it's not Rise of Dawn.
generations,
What about it?
I remember more of those episodes. And Voyager. Was there another one?
I don't know. Ray.
How many have they released? No, there's only 2.
There's only 2. Okay.
And all the other ones are the Iconian one. Oh, featured episode though.
Yeah, I did it last week. I didn't do it this week. We could do that if you want.
You've done it already though? No? Yes, no?
Once it, it releases new
Oh, right.
stuff.
Alright. Then we don't have
You've
to
been
read it if you don't
contacted
want.
by the Federation.
Good night, Ray. Thanks for hanging out.
Oh, I haven't been looking. Thanks, Ray.
Oh.
What?
The Taxutat. Now I know what it is.
You looked it up?
No, it tells you when you finish the mission before when you hand it in. It explains it to you.
Oh, I
It's
never read that.
remember when Picard went to Risa, when he first meets Vash, and he finds a thing on Risa, whatever the fuck it's called. Well, it's the Taxutat actually. You remember?
It's like an artifact or something?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
sort of, but yes. Yeah, that's it.
I see. Yep.
That's what we hit on Risa. For Mr. Pickard. What do I want?
The
The
load
deflector?
screen is ridiculous.
What's this? Oh,
I
wait.
feel like I'm having more issues than I normally do.
Yeah, you just crashed.
That was almost by choice.
Huh. Do I want the emitter array?
Is it the same things as before? I didn't get to that yet.
Plus 30 Starship Shield emitters.
Oh.
Hmm.
With all these shield things that have come out since, I feel like I need to make another tank build.
And I got a specialization point. Oh, yeah.
Specialization point?
Yeah.
I would like a specialization point.
I leveled up, technically. Even though I can't level up, but you know what I mean.
Yes.
How many spec points do I have? 3. I think I'll let him sit there for a little while.
Oh, I should look at that too because I haven't been on for so long. Yeah, I only have 1, but I haven't handed in that mission.
This
Okay.
is a sad day for the Federation.
Yeah, but how
We
close are you to
failed to
leveling?
save the Nakul system. And our friend from the future,
3/4.
Caldano, is dead.
Not really.
I know you did everything you could.
2/3.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I can't see the
especially
top.
Oh, the
when
shield
you've
array.
entered
That's
the time
right.
travel,
Oh, everything's so
things-
happy now. That must go on my ship immediately. I don't know what it does, but I'm hoping it's gonna be blue. Because that's how I choose. Okay. Where to?
What do you want to do?
Time and Tide.